Hi, welcome to your 10-minute commit to growth practice. The invitation today is to be present on your mat. When is it that you would like to run? And in those moments when you feel like you would like to not do the thing or it's feeling hard, the invitation is to stay because you're committed to your own growth. Let's get started in child's pose. Bring your knees wide to the edges of your mat. Set your hips back onto your heels. Press your forehead into the floor and breathe deeply. As you breathe out, pull the pit of the belly in and up towards the spine. If you want a little more depth, you can come up onto the tips of your fingers and press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. Take one more breath cycle in here. Empty out. Downward facing dog. Come up onto your hands and knees. Curl your toes under. Send your hips up and back. Focus your eyes to one spot on the floor. Press into the base of the pointer fingers and thumbs. Have the inner edge of the hands flat to the mat. Take another big breath in. Empty out. Walk your hands back to your feet. Ragdoll at the back of your mat. Grab onto opposite elbow creases. You can have the feet hip distance or wider apart. Let the head hang heavy. Lift and spread the toes. Breathe deeply. Squeeze the legs towards each other. Roll up, extended mountain pose. Draw hands into heart center, exhale. Feel your fingertips touching, your palms touching. Look at the tips of your middle fingers. And take a deep breath in. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Cactus the arms, take a gentle back bend, look up. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, bend the knees, squeeze the legs towards each other. Flat back, inhale, look out to the front edge of your mat. High plank, walk your hands towards the front of the mat. Option to stay high or lower the knees to the mat. Take a deep breath in. Lower halfway down, or not even halfway is great too. Inhale, flip to the shoelace part of your feet. Look straight out in front of you. Take a deep breath in. Move through tabletop to downward facing dog. Exhale. Lift your heels, look to the front of your mat. Exhale, walk your feet to the top. Flat back, breathe in. Fold, breathe out. Do the flat back again. Pull the shoulder blades in towards the spine. Look out far forward in front of you. Fold a little deeper this time. Chair pose, inhale. Get your hips low, pull pit of belly to spine. Pull the shoulders back if you need to. Cactus the arms. Stay and commit to your growth here. Breathe in. If it's possible, sit 2 inches lower. Take another breath in. If it's possible, sit 2 inches lower. Deep breath in. Stay, commit to growth, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Cactus the arms, take a gentle back bend, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, breathe out. Look out in front of your mat. Option to lower the knees. Lower as low as you can go to halfway, but not further. Inhale, up dog. Pull belly button to spine. Downward facing dog. Focus your eyes to one spot. Breathe in. Big breath out. Right foot forward, crescent lunge. Step your right foot between your hands. Lower the back knee down to the mat to start. Reach your arms overhead. Pull the right hip back. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. Breathe in. You may stay here or lift the back knee off the floor. Breathe out. Deep breath in. Empty out. Lean your weight forward onto your front foot. Airplane pose. Bring the arms behind you. Lift your left leg up. If you need to bring your hands to your front thigh or even down to blocks, please adapt as you need so that you can stay in the growth. Silently land your back foot back. Crescent lunge. Breathe in. High plank, breathe out. Look out in front of your mat, breathe in. Lower as low as you can with control. Inhale to the back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot forward, crescent lunge. Lower the back knee to start so you can have the alignment. Pull the left hip back. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. See what you're seeing. Take a deep breath in. Stay or lift the back knee off the floor. Breathe out. See what you're seeing. Experience your breath. Airplane pose. Transfer your weight to your front foot. Hands could be to blocks, your thigh, or out to your sides. Take another breath in. Committed to your own growth, you breathe and stay. Adapt as you need to, but stay. Silently land back in crescent lunge. Stretch the arms overhead, breathe in. High plank, breathe out. Look out in front of your mat, option to lower the knees, breathe in. Low plank, breathe out. Inhale, up dog. Focus your eyes. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Come down onto your back for bridge pose. Plant the feet. Lift your hips up in the air. Press your palms down into the floor. You'll often hear people say, let your fingertips touch the back of your heels, but that just depends on your proportions. What we're after is ankles under the knees. Deep breath in. You're committed to growth, so the invitation is to stay. Press the hips down, lift the hips up. Or press the hands down, lift the hips up. Take another breath. Focus your eyes. What are you seeing? Stay, commit to growth. You're building strength and openness in the body at the same time. Take another inhale. Stay for the exhale. Calm down. You could windshield wiper your knees side to side. Extend both legs up in the air. Hover the left leg 2 inches from the floor. If you need to, you can lower the leg, but that's only if you need to. Post the shoulders up for 10, 9, breathe, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, switch sides. For 10, focus your eyes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give your knees a squeeze. Figure 4 on the back. Bring the right ankle across the left thigh. And pull the left knee in towards your chest. If you want to rock your legs side to side to move the stretch around, please do that. And adapt as you need. Breathe on purpose. And switch sides. Left ankle across. Big breath in. Audible breath out. Committed to your growth. And to grow with grace, you need to breathe. One more inhale here. Empty out. Move into a gentle twist. Take one or both knees to the right. Just 2 breaths. Inhale. Look over the left shoulder if that's okay with your neck. Exhale. And one more breath in. Empty out. Switch sides. Take one or both knees to the other side. Breathe on purpose. Look as far to the right as you can. Once you feel complete there, final relaxation, just a moment to pause. Rest your feet wide. Rest the backs of your hands on the floor. If you have more time in your day to stay here and give yourself the gift of rest, please stay. You need to keep moving in your day. Roll over to your right side into a fetal position for just a moment. Acknowledge yourself for carving the time out of your day today. to move and breathe on purpose for just a moment, a few moments. Come up to a seated position. Touch your palms together at the center of your chest. I am committed to growth, and I'm so grateful you decided to join me today. Bring your thumbs to the middle of your forehead, big breath in. And gently bow forward, breathe out. A beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.